Hello guys, this is Richard Williams Jr. here from Profits of Forex. We're trading simplified. I wanted to share another strategy with you guys. Our goal is to help you become profitable and elite traders, but we also understand how it feels when we first started out and you just want to be able to generate some profit, see that it's worthwhile and see that you're able to do it. I know we've been doing series here of strategies that you can enact and you can put out there and do. Maybe and rules you can set, rules you can follow in these strategies to help you be profitable while you learn and while you grow as a trader. And it's very important as a trader to be able to have that based in your tool belt, right? So before I get started, like, subscribe, press the notification button, especially if you're just tuning in and watching some of our videos. With that being said, also go over to Facebook, follows over there, request a free invite to our group as well. And join the conversation over there. Put something worthwhile in the comments below. Create a good base for where we can all grow and all learn from each other. Share your experiences with trading and what you've learned, and that'll benefit all, and that's what we're all about here, is helping one another. We're on this journey together, no matter what stage we're in. So with that being said, I wanted to show you guys a strategy. We're going to show you how to use the super trend indicator strategy, but what I'm going to call this the SP strategy, right? And basically that's just using this indicator in a way that's going to help you be able to generate some kind of confidence as well. It does generate signals in a way, but it's not about the signals. It's about the idea of trading, and then a way to look at the market and, see the structure of the market, the flow of the market as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and set this up. And basically go into indicators. We're going to look up super trend. Right. I have it saved on my chart, but you're looking at super trend. It's the very first one. So guys, I wanted to show you, I know it's already on my screen, but I wanted to show you the super trend indicator strategy, and how to set it up. So I want to take all this off so that you can see step by step how to do it. We're going to go into our indicators, and what we're going to look up, super trend, and it should pop up. And let's go to our favorites. I think we have a favorite. Oh, okay. I see what we did. So let's go super trend, guys. What you want to do is, there you go. You don't want to space it out, right? That's what I was doing. And you'll find it underneath technicals. None of these other guys strategies. What we're doing it underneath technicals. You press that. Well, we want to do it 3 times, right? Because we're going to change some settings on here, and this will help give you an idea, give you a way to get in the market, make some trades, and be able to be profitable in the market, seeing the trends and the swings of the moves, right? That's pretty much what this is about. And we're going to change some settings first, and then we'll go to rules, and this is going to be 1, right? We're going to change that to 1, and we're going to change this to 11, change this to 2, and then we're going to change this to 12. Keep that at 3. All right, guys. So now we're all set up and ready to go. So basically, the whole strategy is simple. All right. It's really simple, right? Whenever we get 3 lines of any color. So like we're looking for a buy. Let me go over here. All right, let's do this. Let's start here. All right, guys. Perfect. So what we're looking for is all 3 lines of the super trend indicator indicating a sell, right? We're looking for sells or buy. We want it all 3 indicators lines to be red. Your 10, your 11, and your 12. Buy, you want them all to be green. And so on, right? So real simple. Our entry point in this trade, right, is simply when we get 3 of the same color lines, right? We enter this trade, right? So we get 3 of the same color lines here. Price indicating that price is going down or bearish. That's when we take a sell. So this right here would actually be our entry point. When you see the third line, you see it? When the third line pops up, that's when you get in the trade. This ain't gonna be a long video. It's really, really simple. That's where you see the trade, and you basically sell the market. That's all this is. You sell when you got 3 lines of the same color red, and you buy when it's 3, when all the super trend indicators turn green. That's it, right? Really simple strategy. If you do that, let's say you did get in that trade, that was actually 446 pips. Wow. And then if you did over here as well for your buy, right? And you would basically get in once you see the third line. 1, 2, 3. This is our third indication right here. Price would have got in. We would have bought here. We wouldn't have paid attention to this at all because this signal wouldn't be valid because you need what, guys? You need 3 lines. So basically, we're only going to buy this market. We're only going to go with the trend. And at this moment, it's telling us the trend is bullish, right? So we're going to ignore this signal right here, right? And we would basically buy the market and hold the market up until we got some indication that the market was going to change. So basically up to this point where you see price either come down, or you can use a level of structure, right? It goes to the previous high. Or you can just use that all 3 of these lines turn red, right? Once all 3 of these lines turn red, you would basically exit your trade, and you still would have came out with a profit of 446 pips. You get what I'm saying? So let's scroll down here. Once again, another sell right here, 3 lines. We will basically wait for the super trend indicator to all match up and basically show us a level of confluence, right? And basically, once we see that, we will basically get into this right here, and we would sell the market. Once again, here you got 3. You can buy here. As it gets choppier, I wouldn't buy or sell in this area. Only where there's some range in which I probably would have made some profit on this indicator. You could have definitely did that. Then you got another buy over here. And as we said before, you're talking about levels of structure, right? And basically, you know, remember we talked about drawing our boxes. That's our box break of structure right here. We also got 3 lines of the indication here. And this is where we would have got in our trade. Right here. Right? Now we'd have got in our trade there. Right? And we would have been in profit 352 pips, right? Guys, so now it's really simple. All we're doing is buying when we see all 3 of the super trend indicators line up, your 10, your 11, your 12, and we're selling when we see all 3 of them line up for red and for a sell, right? That's all we're doing here. And as you can see, the market is currently moving. So if somebody had got into this trade right here using this indicator, you actually would have generated a profit right here, because it's with the third line starts to pop up. Actually, 1, 2, right here. This is our third line. So right here, you would have got in right there. Perfect, right? And you would have created and got a profit of 332 pips, guys. It really is simple. Trading could be simplified. This strategy, it follows a set rules, but the rules themselves are simple. And all you have to do is follow those. You know, all 3 of the super trend indicators line up for green. There's a buy. When all, 3 of the super trend indicators are red, that's your sell, right? Also use this with the level of structure. You don't want to use this in trade choppy kind of like, close ranges. It's not going to work. So all those things to help you become successful with the strategy, but this is a strategy that you could put in your belt and start trading today. I'll actually do another video where we can actually enhance this strategy, because you know how I do. I like to go into and dig into a strategy and go a little bit more and how you can use it and how you can actually really make it better, right? Be more efficient with that strategy as well. So I hope this, guys, has helped you guys. Like and subscribe, press the notification button, guys, and tell me what you think. What you think about the strategy, maybe ideas and suggestions on how we can make it better for the group. All those things are important. Perspective is everything, guys. So like, subscribe, press the notification button, go over to Facebook, request a free invite, guys. Join the group over there, get in the comment section, join the conversation there. And we look forward to talking to you and seeing you in the next video. I hope this has helped you. In the next video, I'll probably go over how we can use this with some, with the level structure, and that level of confluence as well, to really kind of tighten up on our trading as well. All right, guys. So thank you once again, and I'll talk to you in the next video. This is Richard Williams Jr. from Profits of Forex, where trading is simplified, guys. Peace.